In this video, I'm going to show how to do an upper control arm on a 2009 Acura TL. This car has the 3.5 liter V6 engine. Right now we're using the 1/2-inch impact tool to take off the 22mm lug nut. Some vehicles may come with a lug nut key. And if you're wondering what those holes and slots are on the brake rotor, those are basically cross-drilled holes and like indented slots or slots in the rotor, and they just basically help keep the brakes the rotor cooler, which in turn would help prevent brake fade under heavy braking. Most people get them for looks, but they actually do help with a minor performance improvement. So right now I'm getting the cotter pin out of the castle nut. Pull that right out with the pliers. And then I'm basically just going to use a 17mm socket on a 3/8 ratchet to break that nut loose. And what I'm going to do is just leave the castle nut on, hanging on by a few threads, and hit the side of the upper knuckle area where the ball joint goes into to break the arm free. Just a couple hits and it'll pop the ball joint loose. Then you can take the castle nut off and separate the knuckle from the upper control arm. So next to the strut, you're going to see two 14mm bolts. Those are basically what hold on the control arm to the chassis. We didn't take the strut out, we just unbolted the two bolts and pulled them out. The arm came right out, and basically installation is just the same thing but in reverse. Pretty straightforward, nothing too complicated about this job. Make sure you check out my other videos. I'll be adding more as I go. We'll be doing more engine swaps, basic car maintenance, and other stuff like that. So thanks for watching.